up, guys? It's KingSpucks here with another video up in here with my camo controller. Look at that camo controller swag. That camo controller swag, bruh. Alright, today we're gonna play some what can you guess? It's about the Black Theater. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna play this. Okay, we're gonna play this game. And basically this video is buckle my pants. When I mean that, I mean this. Just until I beat this game. Shh.
Most of that ordeal was unpleasant to the point of sucking a whole lot. But now it's time to relax in the forbidding moonlight of yesterday's promises, whatever that means, and treat ourselves to a nice big mug of hot cocoa. What do you say, Hattie? But Hattie wasn't his normal jovial self anymore, children.
Oh no!
He didn't say a word. He didn't even respond to hugs.
Oh no, that's so bad.
He loves hugs. He wasn't moving. He wasn't even blinking. Where's he gone to? Where?
Oh yeah, subscribe to Skylander Dad and Girl. Boy and Girl, and subscribe to Venturian Tale, Uber Haxer Nova, and all his friends, and Popular MMOs. All right, let's do this. This is the end of the game. Spoilers. All right. Come on, get to the buckle of your pants. Roughly 647 cats were harmed in the making of this game. In memory of David Crockett. I love you, Hattie. Oh yeah, here comes the buckle of your pants. All right, guys. Buckle your pants. Buckle your pants. Yeah. What? Your pants, buckle your pants. Ground. Go then. Beast mode activate. Nipple. No! Goodbye, my friends.